This is how we spent Christmas in Thailand!
We decided that we couldn't really afford or have the space for buying any physical gifts, so we spent it doing things together that we'll remember. Paris bought me a trip to a water park.
And Ben bought me a cooking class.
We painted an elephant together and then went to a 5-star hotel for Christmas dinner with our friend Declan. It was amazing.
So much fun.
Got flowers on his bum.
For a Christmas present to ourselves, we decided to go to Elephant Parade and paint our own elephant in our own colours. This cost us 1,000 baht. All painted now, hair drying to dry it off before we take it home. Paris steered most of the face. It's been a collaborative effort. Actually quite fun. It's taken us 3 days in total.
We're in a cooking class, we just got to the market.
Christmas present for Paris. Happy Christmas, babe. This is the kitchen. The cooking class we're on, because it's first thing in the morning, is just completely empty. There's me and Paris and one other woman here, and that's it. Just the three of us. This entire kitchen, fields outside. It's actually really nice here.
And then?
Yeah, coconut.
Yay!
Nice. Can you try some of yours?
Yeah, of course. This mine's with prawn rather than with chicken, and I didn't add any coconut.
Oh. Yeah, they're actually really different.
Which one do you prefer?
Mine.
Yours. Oh, that's good.
Yours is spicier.
A lot of pumpkin. I don't even know if I like pumpkin. This is the spicy version.
More flavour. More flavour. Look at that colour.
This is the cool version.
Pad Thai with omelette. Okay? And then you put all the noodle back on that. Yes. After you put all into that. Next, everyone. Okay? You scrape a little bit. Okay, scrape because the egg is not easy to take them out. After that, only on the middle. Everyone, only on the middle. Okay?
And here we have the dinner.
I've never made an omelette properly before.
It's like the best pad thai I've had because I made it. Cashew nut stir fry. Very oniony.
Not as good as the pad thai.
No. Nice flavours. I don't think I've ever tried a panang.
I made her one 6 months ago. She just doesn't remember.
It doesn't count then. Yeah, mine is not spicy at all. Mine is just like milk. Nice, creamy.
So she's going to try some of mine, which has a bit more spice in it.
That's actually really nice.
Which one's better?
Yo.
Mango sticky rice, homemade. Now, last time Paris had this, she spat it on the floor and said that's the worst thing I've ever eaten. Why is the mango hot?
Yeah, that's actually okay.
Better?
Yeah.
I guess that's the difference between homemade and some random street vendor.
Yeah. We've just finished at the cooking class and we got some food to take away with us.
The papaya salad. Hopefully it won't be too spicy for later.
We're at the temple.
Merry Christmas Eve! Figure it probably won't snow this Christmas, babe. What do you think?
No.
30 degrees, Christmas Eve. Can't really complain. What a beautiful view. Off to the water park next. Very excited.
We are at the... Oh, it's got a front cut. That's cool. We're at the water park in... Where are we? Chiang Mai. Grand Canyon Water Park. I'm so fucking scared.
How good is she at jumping on balls? Whoa! Wow, yeah, well done.
Just do it.
Do what Pie Guy did. Oh, not like that. Let's go.
To balance it.
Go back. He's over, I win! I'm the king of the seesaw! Oh! Merry Christmas Eve! Woo! Because of Christmas Sign of lonely Bible say there is no shine, Jesus Christ was born on Midwest Day. And now hear the angels sing, a king was born today. And there will live forevermore because on Christmas Day. Mary's voice shine, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. The shield of pioneer shining the smile. When we unlock for you, the sing the music scene to the quiet and proud. 1, 2, 3. Right now, hear the angels sing. A king was born today, and I will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. For a moment the world was so cold, all the bells rang out every tale of joy and laughter. People shouted like everyone, every soul, for to buy me. So, round 1 of Christmas dinner. Round 2. It's very good, but like there's no Yorkshire puddings, there's no pigs in blankets, no roast potatoes. It's an amazing buffet. It's just not a British Christmas dinner. So this is round 3. We now got some wine going. I've also got some mango juice. So pork, beef Wellington. I've never tried a Wellington before. I don't like mushroom, but I thought I'd give it a go. Pork chop. This is rib. And these are green beans wrapped in bacon. Thought they were pigs in blankets. They're not. Very, very sad.
I've got 2 more pieces of beef Wellington and 2 fried bits of meat.
So we've got a scallop, sea bass, This is a pork sausage with black truffle and charcoal, and this was a entire turkey leg which she deboned and chopped up for me. Passed on the desserts, and so's Deck.
There are more desserts than there are main courses, and it's been laid out like a fucking art piece. It's Christmas!
I've got some fruit and Ben's onto sushi.
Back onto the cheese. Paris is finishing her fruit. So, moved on to dessert now, but Paris and Deck are both taking a break. This is full of rum.
Oh my gosh.
Wasn't a big fan of this one, so we're in for a second dessert.
Oh yeah.
Who got you a gift?
I got a present from Santa. Woohoo! I think it doesn't fall actually. Oh, that's even worse. I was looking forward to that falling off. Cheers. Getting a bit full. I was just got a piece of turkey and a little bit of steak. Paris ordered some pasta from the pasta station. While she's snacking on her cake and her sushi simultaneously. Whereas Dex moved back on to the cheese.
Starting all over again, baby. Round 2.
Very nice.
I've lost track of what plate this is, but we've been here 2.5 hours now, and we've finally discovered some roast potatoes. And this is a chicken wing, these are some ribs, and this is some Thai beef stew. Got a little bit of fruit, a mixed berry pie, and a gingerbread ice cream. Paris is saying she's full.
Ben's making his own dinner. He wasn't satisfied enough with the buffet.
Merry Christmas from Ben and Paris.